Flying coach can be a bit stuffy. A recent airline satisfaction survey of more than 55,000 Consumer Reports members showed major complaints in legroom, seat comfort, selection of food and beverages for purchase, and selection of complimentary food and beverages. But don't let the pains of steerage class cramp your style. Here are 6 upgrades to help you make the most out of coach. Plug your flight info into a site like SeatGuru.com to check out seat maps before you book. Try to book a seat in the front row, bulkhead, or an emergency exit row, if you don't have to pay extra for it. These are typically spaced further apart and offer more legroom. Let's face it, airline pillows aren't exactly luxurious. We recommend bringing your own memory foam pillow or seat pad to make it feel like your very own first class throne. No onboard TV screen? No problem. Download your own in-flight entertainment to your smartphone or iPad and use one of these. Now it's time to relax. Next to a crying baby or some rowdy spring breakers, invest in a quality, noise-canceling headphone. We've tested over 200 pairs, so check out our top-rated ones at Sierra.org. Bring a golf or lacrosse ball. Place it in the small of your back when you sit down for a nice DIY back massage. Pinch me, am I in first class? This is especially good if you experience lower back pain and stiffness during flights. On a 10-hour flight without a toothbrush? No thanks. Leave it to the essentials. A small travel toothbrush, toothpaste, travel-sized lotion, hand sanitizer, sanitary wipes, an eye mask, and earplugs. You'll step off the flight refreshed, unlike some who came a little less prepared. For more flying tips and our full airline ratings, check out Sierra.org.
you